Welcome back to another video. Today we got an email from Harbor Freight. We got a 30% off coupon. Any item under $10, limit 5. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, 2 deals. Yes, finally we got another coupon here. If you guys haven't watched the video from yesterday, I did a 5 items you could get with this 30% off coupon. So you can get some ideas. I'll see if I can link it up above right here. I do have other videos I made, so that is the 3rd video. So I have even more items you guys could get. I'll link all those videos up above. Hopefully you guys could get some ideas of what you want you can get, or what you might want to get with this 30% off coupon. It says Friday, October 25th through Sunday, October 27th. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's see here, 30% off any item under $10, limit 5 in store. So basically, you got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so you can get a total of 15 items just before Sunday. So 5 on Friday, 5 on Saturday, 5 on Sunday, total of 15 items. Anyways, see here, it says 3 days only. Okay, you got a free coupon here. I don't know if you guys can read that. Oh, and by the way, feel free to take any screenshots, any pictures on the computer, any use these coupons. These are free for you guys to use. If you guys need the coupon code for this, it's 32 24 99 89 for the 30% off, and for the free item is 30 67 21 28. Feel free to try these out online and at the stores. Get yourself a free item there and a 30% off coupon. You got super coupon, 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator, $6.99. Got a rapid pump 3-ton steel professional duty low profile long reach floor jacks, $169.99. You got a 46-inch mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top, $229.99. And you got the 40-inch by 72 moving blanket, $399. You got a 20-ton shop press for $144.99. A retractable 50 by... Yeah, this definitely is a great, especially for the DIY and the home use. You don't want to have a mess in your garage with rolling up those hoses and everything. This one will clean it up for you, basically. So $59.99 will get you there. It's not the cheapest. We've seen it cheaper at the parking lot sales. I believe it might be cheaper on the Black Friday sale. I'll see if I can link that up above. I'm not sure. Industrial strength, powder free, nitro gloves pack of 50. Definitely do recommend this for you guys. They do come in all sizes, medium, large, and extra large. And these are great for the DIY, even for the professional out there that is doing a lot of mechanic work, a lot of heavy duty work. Definitely the 7mm and the 9mm, I definitely recommend it for you guys. You got the 6-gallon 150 psi oil free air compressor, $99.99. Got a 1 ton capacity foldable shop crane, $149.99. Pneumatic adjustable roller seat, $19.99. Blue design auto darkening helmet, $39.99. 8-channel surveillance DVR with 4 HD cameras and mobile monitoring capabilities, $219.99. 2,500 PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute. 4 horsepower, 160cc Predator. Guys, anything that's a Predator engine, it's a great engine. Me personally, I have a generator that has a Predator engine. So far it's been working great. Haven't heard anything negative. You have to use stable. You remember to shut off the fuel and clean those carbs. Make sure if you're going to store them, don't store them with fuel in the carburetor. Always use stable on your fuel for any type of engine that's a small engine, lawnmower, anything. Use stable on your engines. $259.99 for that. It's a great little tile saw. It does work. My cousins do tile, and they do. Some of them do have this. Some of them do have the DeWalt, but this one doesn't. It does a perfect job. and it's smaller than the other ones. 50 feet 14 gauge outdoor extension cord. I use this extension cords to run my solar system to my house. I don't know if you guys know, but I do have a solar system, and I run part of my house, including these editings that I do on the computer. I run them on solar, and these extensions cords are great. $15.99. 7-amp electric pole saw, 9.5 bar, $62. Definitely a great price. One of the lowest prices we've seen. Does work. I do have it on my channel. You can look at it. 7-amp electric pole saw, tool head 147, up on the top of section of YouTube. Search. You can look at that video. 18-inch work platform step stool, $19.99. To here, anything that catches my eye. Like I said, any of the Predator engines are great engines. Chipper shredder with 6.5 horsepower gasoline engine for $29.99. These batteries, that is something I won't recommend. I did have some of these batteries leak. Usually these batteries, you get them for free on the coupons. If you buy them, I don't recommend you buying these batteries. However, the blue ones from Harbor Freight are really good. So get the Thunderbolt, the blue edition, or blue Thunderbolt Edge, I believe they're called. Make sure you get those instead of these. 18-volt cordless drill driver kit, $69. These are great for this basic DIY. If you're you need a drill, you're gonna be drilling a small hole, maybe putting a screw in. That's fine. If you're gonna start doing a lot more DIY projects, definitely recommend you to step up to at least the Bauer. Bauer is like your Ryobi grade type of drill. You got a 1.6 horsepower submersible utility pump, $49.99. Half-inch electric impact wrench, $39.99. For the DIY, for home use, these are fine. Not professional. Professional, you might want to go work Earthquake XT. That is a professional line for Harbor Freight. 9-piece, 1 4/3/8 and extension wobble set. These are great, guys. Again, these are not designed for impact. These are not impact rated. So these are not designed for impact or heavy torque use. However, they do work. They do work fine. I haven't broken one yet. I know for a fact that some people have been breaking these, but you know, they're only $10. They're a lifetime guarantee. You can take them back to the store, switch it for a new one. It's a nice leaf blower right there for $129. These are great 7-piece combination ratcheting wrenches. I do have them. They do work pretty good. However, if you're a professional, I would recommend you get Icon. Icon, it's a lot better quality. Got a lot more tooth than these. These are just your basic for your home use, to weekender type of weekend warrior type of thing. You got 80-piece rotary toolkit, $649. You got the Braun 845 lumen under hood rechargeable work light, $29.99. I do have this light, works pretty good. I do have the review on my channel. You guys can look at a search section of YouTube, search it. 845 lumen under hood rechargeable work light, tool head 147, and you guys will see that. Yeah, that's it for today. Short video. Make sure you guys go and get your 5 items. Today Friday, tomorrow Saturday and Sunday. And all right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.